Top 5 Loudest Supercars Ever Made. Number 1. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Pure V12 madness. The Aventador SVJ roars like thunder. Number 2. Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. A naturally aspirated V12 symphony. The F12 is pure Italian rage. Number 3. Lexus LFA. That high rev scream? The LFA sounds like a Formula One car on the streets. Number 4. Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992. Precision and power. The GT3 RS screams with race-bred fury. And finally, number 5. McLaren 720S. Twin-turbo power with a wild growl. The 720S is a sonic missile.